In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add LinkedIn to your Gmail email signature. Start by opening Gmail and making sure you are on your inbox screen. From here, look to the top right area of the page where Gmail keeps its main controls. Click the settings icon, then choose the option that says See All Settings. This will take you into the full settings page where you can edit your signature. You will land in the General tab, which is exactly where you need to be. Scroll down until you find the Signature section. In this area, click Create New. Gmail will prompt you to name the signature. Type a simple label that helps you recognize it later, such as a work signature or a default signature name. Then click Create. This name is just for you, so keep it clear and easy to identify. Now you will see a signature editor box. Click inside that editor area so your cursor is active there. Next, you will add your LinkedIn link. If you already have your LinkedIn profile URL copied, you can paste it directly into the signature box. If not, open your LinkedIn profile in another tab. Copy your public profile link, then return to Gmail and paste it into the editor. After the link appears in the signature, you can edit the text around it if you want it to look cleaner, such as leaving the full URL as is, or adjusting the spacing so it fits nicely with the rest of your signature content. Once the LinkedIn link is in place, you need to make sure Gmail actually uses this signature when you write emails. In the Signature Defaults area, find the drop-down that may currently say No Signature. Click that drop-down and select the signature you just created. If you see separate options for new emails and replies or forwards, make sure your new signature is selected there as well so it appears consistently. Finally, scroll to the bottom of the settings page and click Save Changes. After Gmail saves, your LinkedIn link will be included in your email signature moving forward. That covers everything you need to know.